In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a TradingView widget into your website. This straightforward process will allow you to enhance your site with dynamic financial data, giving it that professional edge every finance-focused site needs. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you need to navigate to the TradingView website. Once you're on their homepage, look for the More option, or perhaps For Business. You'll find these options typically at the top of the page, or maybe under a menu, and they will guide you to the All Widgets page. This is your hub for browsing a selection of widgets that TradingView offers. As you explore the selection, you'll notice a variety of widgets available to you. These might include interactive charts, market tickers, or mini charts, among others. Take your time to consider which one best suits the needs of your website or the interests of your audience. Once you've made your decision, click on Get Widget for the chosen option. This begins the customization process where you can truly make the widget your own. Next, you'll be guided to customize your selected widget. Here, you'll find numerous settings to tailor the widget to your liking. You can choose the specific financial instrument you want the widget to display. Additionally, you'll set the time interval and select a color scheme that matches or complements your website's design. Don't forget to configure the dimensions as well, ensuring the widget fits neatly into wherever you plan to place it on your website. Having configured all the settings to your satisfaction, it's time to generate the embed code. There should be a button on screen to help you with this. Once clicked, TradingView will automatically generate an HTML code for you. This code contains all the necessary information to embed the widget on your site. With the code displayed, the next step is to simply copy it. Make sure you're careful to copy the entire snippet to avoid any issues later on. Now it's time to integrate this snippet into your website. Open your website's content management system and navigate to the section where you want the widget to appear. Access the HTML editor or select a block designed for HTML input. Once you've found the right spot, paste in the code snippet you copied earlier. This step is crucial as the snippet is what connects your website to the TradingView data feed. Finally, remember to save all your changes. By doing so, you'll ensure the widget is live and fully embedded on your site. Once saved, go ahead and view your site to confirm that the TradingView widget is displaying correctly, complete with the real-time financial data you configured. Congratulations, you've just added a powerful tool to your website that will keep your audience informed and engaged.